நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
Oily scalp, this leads to discoloration of the top layer. Shiny oiled hair look. In generally, for the people who have oily hair or oily scalp, you will find that their hair are looking very shiny and oiled. Thick and yellow colored discoloration, erythema and severe pruritus may cause alopecia. Oily dandruff is even more dangerous than dry dandruff because this can lead to alopecia, that is complete loss of hair. This is an in vivo test which was done on 20 volunteers, and hair scalp observation, technique analysis, and sebometry, that is the measurement of sebum was taken with a micro camera observation, and technical conclusion I will share with you. This is the formulation that we used. With the active, we have called this particular active is written as a trikinol. With this kind of an active, there was a decrease of seborrhea by about 57.4%. If you see that the sebum is decreased by 57.4%, whereas in placebo, that is the one which is without an active, you see that it's still the sebum is still continuously increasing. Now that is a micro camera observation. This is the placebo. If you see the dandruff on the T0 and the 4th day, it's still the same. It hasn't changed. There's some disformation, but there's no reduction of seborrhea in case of a placebo. Placebo basically means that a product which does not have any active. And now the one which we use, if you see that initially there was all these dandruff which was, if you see the yellow patches here, there's all dandruff. When we use our product, after a period of 4 days, all this dandruff is gone. And if you see that this is very shiny in this area. This has got less shiny now. So that means that there's also significant reduction in sebum. The oil also has reduced considerably. So there's a double benefit in this, especially in oily dandruff, that it is decreasing the dandruff and thus also controlling the sebaceous glands. And this is the microbial observation. In a placebo, you see that there is not much of decrease in the microbial content here. But in case of a product, you see that entirely the complete microorganisms, they have totally vanished, they are totally gone. So there is yeast micro observation, no presence of microorganisms on day 4. So that's the application of our product, anti-dandruff, anti-seborrhea, anti-irritant, and it decreases discoloration, that is erosion of the top layer of the skin. Now this is what we talked about, the hair shaft, and nowadays there are a lot of lifestyle problems also we face because our hair are exposed to different kind of chemicals and treatments like thermal treatments. We go to a beauty salon or beauty parlors and we are exposing to different kind of chemicals and heat. So that also plays havoc on our hair. These are the kind of lifestyles or because of the fashion industry, the kind of problems which are coming. Colored and heat treated hair becomes very dry, brittle, weak, and it leads to split ends. Now that's a very common problem which is not just there because of natural things, but because of the artificial things that we're using on our hair, be it chemical based shampoos, be it chemical based hair treatments, hair coloring. It leads to hair becoming very dry, brittle, weak, and split ends. Split ends is that on the end the hair turns, it gets broken and it gets like from a normal I shape, it gets into something like a Y shaped hair. So that's what a split end means. frequent changes on hairstyle, ionic perm plus ceramide perm, because people have been going to salons, changing their hairstyle, especially the youth, especially the people, because of the growing, fan following of the film industry. People are trying out new hairstyles, new hair colors. Sunlight affected outdoor activities, especially the sports people, because the sunlight, that's a natural thing. Now you cannot really, like wear a cap and play always. At times you are exposed to the sunlight. So that's a sunlight effect with outdoor activities. And increasing working pressure resulting in weaker hair quality, because the stress also, the hair is not being nourished properly. The food that we eat, the quality of nourishment that we get is not what is really, we're not getting what is really required for a good quality of hair. That's the products for strengthening, for nourishing, for repairing, and shine adding. The products what we are using are giving all these 4 benefits: strengthening, nourishing, repairing, and adding shine, the beauty. Now that's what, and some other reasons for hair damage: hair coloring, hair perming and straightening, hair dryer, and curling iron. UV rays, moisture reduction. This damage causes internal structural change of hair, makes hair dry and brittle, causes broken hair, split ends, splitting cuticles, poor texture, decreased shine, lack of tension, decreased density of cortex because of output. What our product does, it eliminates all of that. It eliminates all these minuses. That's the effect of the moisturizer and the conditioners that we use in hair. This is a before and after photograph. That's the cuticle stone off, which is shown before.